What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Drizzling Tom here, coming at you with another food review. Today we're reviewing the Burger King's small double cheeseburger meal. This is like a comparison to Wendy's. I used a coupon here also, so it only cost me $3. I'll even show the receipt today. I'll put a card up there to the Wendy's double cheeseburger meal food review also. And yeah, so alright then, let's just get right into this. Here's my receipt, you guys. You can pause it if you want. That small cheeseburger meal, $3 because I had a coupon. Like, damn. And you can see I got Hershey pie also, so that makes it $5, but I'm gonna save that for another food review. A different time. So yeah, alright. Got this cheeseburger up close and personal. Got it plain because I really don't do pickles. There it is. Woo! Alright. Yeah, there it is still. Receipt got stuck to the box, but I just took it off. Got the fries. Yeah, the fries are pretty good. And there's the Coke, man. So yeah. Alright, I'm gonna put some ketchup on the burger. We'll taste all this. Alright, you guys. I've got my ketchup ready. So we'll try the burger now. You can see the ketchup. Alright. My bad, I got my finger in there. But, pretty good Burger King. Wendy's might have been a little fresher. That just all depends on the location, time you go. Fries though. I love how I just ate the fries already right there. Didn't even say an intro, but here they are again. So good. The fries are amazing here. BK's got the best fries. I'm gonna say fries, 5. The burger, kind of like a 4 right now. Maybe 3. It's not that fresh, but it's pretty good still. Coke. My bad, my hair is so messed up. And my voice sounds so weird. I had Coke stuck in it. But, yeah. Coke's good. Coke's 5. So yeah, I guess that wraps this up. Running for round 2 on that burger. Yeah, the burger's a 4 still. The bread's just not that fresh. It's pretty much all. Alright. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Comment, like, share, subscribe if you couldn't understand me. It always helps your boy out. I want to grow so bad. Become a big channel maybe. That'd be cool. Alright, so, yeah, thanks a lot for watching, everyone. Peace.